From 0 to 10K, my 10-day hustle, you want to know what gets me fired up? Seeing people win big, seeing people crush it, especially when they started with absolutely nothing. Imagine this, absolutely nothing. No fat stacks of cash, no Rolodex of big shot connections, just pure raw hustle. And in just 10 days, bam, you're $10,000 richer. Sounds insane, right? Like some get-rich-quick scheme? Nah, this is about taking control, putting in the work, and making it happen. By the end of this video, you're gonna have a blueprint, a step-by-step guide to replicate exactly what I did. Let's go. All right, let's get real for a second. The first battle you gotta win is the one happening inside your head. Most people are held back by their own limiting beliefs. They think, I'm not cut out for this, or I don't have what it takes. Let me tell you something, that's complete BS. You are capable of way more than you think you are. This first step is about flipping the script, changing your mindset from a consumer to a creator. Start thinking like an entrepreneur, like a boss. Entrepreneurs see opportunity everywhere. They don't wait for permission, they take action. They're not afraid to fail, they embrace it as part of the process. You need to adopt that same mentality. Look, I get it. It's scary putting yourself out there, especially when you're starting from scratch. But here's the thing, fear is a liar. It's gonna try to hold you back, whisper doubts in your ear, but you've gotta tell fear to shut the hell up. The truth is, you have nothing to lose and everything to gain. So how do you actually shift your mindset? It starts with awareness. Pay attention to your self-talk. Are you constantly putting yourself down, dwelling on past failures? Catch yourself in the act and reframe those negative thoughts. Replace them with positive affirmations. Tell yourself, I am capable, I am resourceful, I am going to make this happen. And don't just say it, believe it. Because the truth is, you are capable of extraordinary things. Now let's get to work. All right, now that you've got that killer mindset, it's time to get down to business. This is where the real work begins, and it's going to be a thrilling ride. And when I say business, I mean leveraging the hell out of the digital world. The opportunities are endless if you know where to look and how to act. We're talking social media, online platforms, the whole 9 yards. Every corner of the internet is a potential goldmine waiting to be tapped. This is your playground, your opportunity to reach millions of potential customers with the click of a button. Imagine the scale and the impact you can have. Look, I built my entire career on this stuff, so trust me when I say it's a game changer. The digital world is where dreams turn into reality. The best part? You don't need a fancy website or a million followers to get started. All you need is a plan and the determination to execute it. You just need to be scrappy, you need to be creative, and you need to be fast. Adaptability and quick thinking are your best friends here. Remember, we're talking about making $10,000 in 10 days. It's ambitious, but entirely possible with the right approach. That's not a lot of time, so we gotta move quickly. Every second counts, and every action you take should be purposeful. Forget about perfection, forget about overthinking it. The key is to start and refine as you go along. Just start creating content, putting yourself out there, and seeing what sticks. The more you create, the better you'll get. Now you might be thinking, Gary, I don't have any skills to offer. But let me tell you, that's just not true. Wrong. Everyone has something valuable to share. It's all about identifying what that is and how you can offer it to others. Think about it. What are you good at? What unique skills or knowledge do you possess? What do people always ask you for help with? Can you edit videos? Are you a whiz at social media? Write killer social media captions? Design eye-catching graphics? These are all in-demand skills. These are all valuable skills that people are willing to pay for. Don't underestimate what you bring to the table. And the beauty of the internet is that you can find clients from all over the world. Your market is global. There are countless online platforms where you can offer your services as a freelancer like Upwork, Fiverr, and Guru. These platforms are gateways to endless opportunities. And don't be afraid to start small. Every big success story started with small, manageable steps. Offer microservices or quick gigs that people need urgently. These can be the stepping stones to bigger projects. The key here is to get some quick wins under your belt, build up your portfolio, and start generating some cash flow. Momentum is everything. Another great way to leverage the digital world is through social media. It's a powerful tool for reaching a wide audience. Platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube are gold mines for entrepreneurs. They offer unparalleled reach and engagement. Stay up to date on the latest trends, experiment with different platforms and strategies, and never stop testing and iterating. The digital landscape is always evolving, and so should you. All right, entrepreneurs, let's talk about something that can make or break your success: building relationships, and leveraging the power of other people's networks. This is not just about business, it's about creating a community that supports and uplifts each other. Now, I'm not talking about being slimy or using people, it's about authenticity and integrity. I'm talking about genuine collaboration, about creating win-win situations where everyone benefits. When you help others, you create a ripple effect that can come back to you in unexpected ways. Look, none of us can achieve greatness alone. Even the most successful people have a team behind them. We all need a support system, a tribe of people who believe in our vision and are willing to help us succeed. This tribe can provide emotional support, practical advice, and even open doors to new opportunities. And that's what this chapter is all about, building your dream team. A team that is diverse, skilled, and aligned with your goals. Now you might be thinking, Gary, I don't know anyone influential, I'm just starting out. How can I build a network from scratch? And to that I say, so what? Everyone starts somewhere. You don't need a Rolodex full of celebrity CEOs to build a powerful network. Start small and build from there. Start with the people you know, your friends, family, former colleagues, even your classmates from high school. These are the people who already know and trust you. Reach out to them, share your vision, and let them know what you're working on. Be clear about your goals and how they can help. You'd be surprised how willing people are to help, especially when they see your passion and dedication. Passion is contagious and can inspire others to join your cause, and even if they can't directly help you, they might know someone who can. Networking is about connections, and sometimes it's the second or third degree connections that make the difference. Remember, it's all about building genuine relationships. Relationships that are built on trust and mutual respect. Don't just reach out to people when you need something. Offer value up front. Think about how you can contribute to their success. How can you help them? What unique skills or resources do you have to offer? Can you share their content? Promote their work to your audience. Introduce them to someone in your network. Facilitate connections that could be beneficial for them. Offer your skills or expertise. Sometimes a small gesture can go a long way. When you approach networking with a giving mindset, people will be more receptive to your message and more likely to reciprocate. Generosity builds goodwill. Another powerful way to leverage other people's networks is through partnerships. Strategic alliances can amplify your reach and impact. Look for businesses or individuals in your niche who have a complementary audience to yours. This can create a synergy that benefits both parties. Reach out to them and see if there's a way you can collaborate. Be open to different forms of partnership. The possibilities for partnerships are endless. From co-hosting events to cross-promotions, the opportunities are vast. Get creative, think outside the box, and don't be afraid to reach out to people you admire. You never know where a simple conversation might lead. Alright, entrepreneurs, let's talk about everyone's favorite topic. Money. Specifically, how to create multiple streams of income so that you're not relying on just one source of revenue. This is about building a financial fortress, a money-making machine that works for you 24/7, even while you sleep. Imagine having a system in place that continuously generates income without your constant attention. Now, I know what you're thinking, Gary, I can barely handle my day job. How am I supposed to juggle multiple income streams? And to that I say it's not about doing it all yourself. It's about working smarter, not harder. It's about leveraging your time, your skills, and the power of automation. By using the right tools and strategies, you can create a system that works for you. Think of it like this. Instead of trading your time for money, you're creating assets that generate income passively. So, even if you take a break, your money doesn't. Pretty sweet, right? Now, there are countless ways to create multiple streams of income, but I'm going to share with you some of my favorites. First up, we've got affiliate marketing. This is where you partner with other businesses and promote their products or services to your audience. You earn a commission for every sale you generate through your unique affiliate link. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that you don't need to create your own products or handle any customer service. It's a hands-free business model that allows you to focus on what you do best. Another great option is online courses and digital products. If you have expertise in a particular area, you can package that knowledge into an online course, ebook, or template and sell it directly to your audience. The beauty of digital products is that they're scalable. You create them once and you can sell them over and over again without any additional effort. This means you can reach a larger audience and generate more income without extra work. So whether it's affiliate marketing, online courses, or any other method, the key is to find what works best for you and your business. Start small, experiment, and scale up as you find success. Remember, creating multiple streams of income is not just about making more money, it's about creating financial security and freedom for yourself and your loved ones. So, take the first step today and start building your money-making machine. Your future self will thank you. All right, entrepreneurs, we've covered a lot of ground, but we're not done yet. Now that you've got your mindset right, you're leveraging the digital world, building your dream team, and creating multiple streams of income. It's time to take things to the next level. It's time to scale your empire and reclaim your most valuable asset, your time. Look, I'm all about hustle, but I'm also a firm believer in working smarter, not harder. And that means automating and outsourcing as much as possible so that you can focus on the things that only you can do. The big picture strategy, the creative vision, and building relationships. Now I know what you're thinking. Gary, I can't afford to hire a team or invest in expensive software. And to that, I say, think again. There are countless affordable tools and resources available to help you automate and streamline your business. For example, you can use social media scheduling tools like Hootsuite or Buffer to schedule your social media posts in advance, freeing up your time to focus on other tasks. You can use email marketing platforms like MailChimp or ConvertKit to automate your email sequences and nurture your leads on autopilot. And when it comes to outsourcing, start small. Hire a virtual assistant to handle tasks like email management, scheduling appointments, or even managing your social media accounts. You'd be surprised how much time and energy you can free up by delegating these tasks to someone else. Now, scaling your business isn't just about automating and outsourcing. Your 10-day challenge starts now. Boom! There you have it, 5 actionable steps that took me from $0 to $10,000 in just 10 days. Remember, this isn't some magic formula. It's about hard work, dedication, and a relentless pursuit of your goals. It's about adopting an entrepreneurial mindset, embracing the digital world, building a supportive network, diversifying your income streams, and scaling your business like a boss. But here's the thing, knowledge without action is useless. So I'm challenging you right now to pick one of these steps and take massive action today. Don't wait for the perfect moment or the perfect plan. Just start.